Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will be talking about how to influence your brain to do hard things, which every person is struggling with in today's life. So think about the last time you had to do something important, like starting a new skill or waking up early, and remember how your brain responded in that situation. If it responded like, I will do it later, or, maybe tomorrow, and every time you keep procrastinating it, then follow the pointers mentioned in this video. So point number 1. Start with 5 minutes. Tell your brain to do any difficult task just for 5 minutes, because once you start, you keep doing it, as starting is the hardest part. Let's move to point number 2. Removing distractions. When your environment is clean and there are no distractions, your mind automatically becomes focused. Point number 3. Change your identity. You can change your identity or improve yourself by saying a few positive sentences like, I can do difficult tasks, or, I am the person who outshines in every task, because subconsciously your brain listens to it and helps you perform better. Point number 4. Reward yourself. After finishing any specific task, reward yourself with a short break, music, or anything you like, because by doing this your brain learns and gets into a habit where hard work feels good. And last, point number 5. Do one difficult task every day. Taking a small challenge every day and facing a little discomfort grows your confidence and makes your brain stronger, which helps you grow in your field. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.